I'm the founder of Eko Innovation Centre and the curator of this hackathon. So we curate several hackathons from, if you know about us, we've created Smart Meter Hackathon, we've created Lagos Transport Hackathon, we've created Maka Hackathon, we've created Eco Climathon. So again, we're creating a security hackathon, so it's called SecureHack. So we in this center, it's an incubation, an acceleration, and a startup studio. So what that does is that we are constantly looking for how to look for solutions that makes our city and our country a more livable place. Many of our hackathons are focused as civic tech. When you say civic tech, that means we do initiatives that is for the good of all. So when we're talking about transport is not what somebody wants to make on any solution you see there, which again you see the lag ride. It was a solution that came out from a hackathon like this that is powering all the lag ride and the carrier and the Lagos State transport system came out from here. We did this Lagos Smart Meter Hackathon, which their smart meters already built now. About 25% of the actual cost, which with the new law, we hope those meters can be rolled out, and then Lagos State residents can be able to have meters all over the country at a much cheaper rate and all that smart meters. And then, and we've done things on climate and all that. So again, this is about security. Security is not just for an individual, it's for all of us. And so we like to do, because we are one of the only civic tech focused innovation centers, and that's why some of our hackathons are focused on things that is for the common good.
So, what's your expectation from the hackathon for individuals,
yes,
organizations, and government?
The beauty of the hackathon is we hope that we can finally find solutions developed homegrown, understanding the challenges of our local environment, and developed at an affordable rate. Today, one of the major challenges of technology adoption or technology growth is cost barrier. If you see any tech person today, he has to buy a laptop. Laptop is totally foreign. All of you holding smartphones, you know the cost of your smartphones. But these guys that are building these apps and platforms, they need some good machines to do that, very expensive. They also need infrastructure, whether you're talking about Microsoft Azure or you're talking of AWS, to build all those environments that they're using. We pay in dollars, very expensive. You know, so and then when you look at all the cybersecurity solutions, antiviruses, many of those things also, you pay it in FX. Now, we do not know where dollars is going or where it's coming from. Is that cost element that we think increases vulnerability of organizations in emerging market like Nigeria? When something is very expensive and you cannot afford, what will you do? But you can see the amount of hack. Now we just finished the Naira redesign. They say everybody go online, go online, go online. When people go online, their money becomes, it's currency money. How have we been able to protect ourselves if we don't have homegrown solutions? If organizations can't protect, SME can't protect, because it's not affordable. So what is the aim? If we can see solutions developed here, either for cyber crime or physical crime, that our people can pay in Naira, that is more affordable. You know, just like the food we eat in Naira that is affordable, we think it will be better for all, and then our cyberspace will be more secured. That is the aim, and that is the aspiration or purpose why we put together this hackathon.
Two in one question.
Yes, sir.
One is adoption of locally developed solutions.
Yes, sir.
Especially banks.
Yeah.
Most of them go about to adopt solutions.
Yes.
What's your word for them? And two, for our local developers, to put their software at the par of the international software developed.
Yeah.
What is your word for them?
First,
what do they need to do?
Yeah, so starting with the organizations that struggle, you know, the thing is, time will tell. If you trust me, the challenge we have is there are many things that people are accepting now that for a long time they did not accept them. Two things that I see will become a barrier is that, you know, even for developers, at a time they used to develop all their solutions from abroad. Before now, things are becoming local because cost will also be an issue for all of them. Number two is maintenance. Once you are having it from the local market, it's very easy for local market. This thing has come down, let me call someone to fix it locally. Compared to you are sending message to China and then you are interpreting Chinese and all that. So we think with time and as our market matures, things will get better. 15, 20 years ago, nobody was building software in Nigeria. You're having to buy everything. But today, we're beginning to see even foreign people, you know, begin to use our talents. Most of the people that went to Japan, that they are using, they are taking our talents from here and paying them a bit more money to go and solve solutions globally. So I think the banks and larger institutions, as they see quality of what we're building, you know, as the market matures, they will come. And as they see more significant cost barrier, they will come. Okay, that's about. Your second question was around how can we improve quality. Quality is about training. These people that are here, they're about to win some prizes and all that. The more you practice in anything in life, you get better. The more you train football, you get better. The more journalists too are going for events like this and recording and, you know, and doing all this, everybody's getting better. So I don't think any industry is stagnated. Our people will develop solutions one day that will be at par at international solutions. That was where China was at the time. That was what India is at the time. That was what Bangladesh and Taiwan is. But today, the Western world is buying solutions from Taiwan, Bangladesh, and India and China. One day, they will come to Africa. Why? We'll become more affordable and we'll become better. So my encouragement to startup is keep building, keep trying, keep practicing. One day, it will work. Let me now end by saying the application that is running your lag ride that you people are not aware of. If it was 5 years ago or 10 years, Lagos State government will do what? They'll go and buy from China or go and buy from US. Today, the guy who is now running this app and all those your carry that is driving your boat and ferry is a local Nigerian boy who is now being able to do that. So it shows you that there's still hope. That government one day has to build better solutions like our fintech. Most of these fintechs, they are managed locally. So one day we will mature. Let the young people not give up. Keep building. One day it will be your turn.